Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. The desire to succeed means nothing without the will to prepare. Get ready with your notebook, pencil. Now first write today's date and day on the right corner of your book. Is everyone writing? Very good. Now write the heading chapter 12 multiplication readiness. multiplication multiplication. readiness readiness. Chapter number 12 multiplication readiness. This is the last chapter of syllabus of Essay 2 examination. Before we start, let's make a quick revision. What we have learned or completed till now. Identify the groups in the picture. Write how many in each group. In this exercise, we understand to recognize or identify the picture and write name for the same. Exercise 2. Circle and count the number of equal groups. See, here we learn how to divide the things in the same group. First, we have to make circle around it, and then we have to count number of objects present in each group. So, as you can see here, there are 3 groups of clouds. And each group has 4 clouds in it. Here we have 2 groups of planes. And each group has 3 planes. In this picture, we can say that there are 6 groups of birds and 6 birds in each group. 3 groups of balloons, 2 balloons in each group. In this image, we have 5 groups of butterflies and there are 7 butterflies in each group. In this image or sum, we have 4 groups of kites. And each group has 5 kites in it. Find out how many in all. Sum number A, as you can see, there are 3 groups of clouds. 4 clouds in each group. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, total 12 clouds in all. Sum number B, there are 2 groups of planes, 3 planes in each group. So 3 plus 3, 6 planes in all. Sum number C, 6 groups of birds. 6 birds in each group. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Total 36 birds in all. Sum number D, we have 3 groups of balloons. 2 balloons in each group. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. There are 6 balloons in all. Sum number B, 5 groups of butterflies, 7 butterflies in each group. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 35 butterflies in all. Sum number F, 4 groups of kite, 5 kites in each group. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 20 kites in all. When you add same number over and over again, it is called repeated addition. When you add the same number over and over again, it is called repeated addition. Use repeated addition to complete the sentences. So here we have 3 groups. Each group has 4 books inside it. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, we get 12. We can say that 3 groups of 4 books each gives 12 books. Sum number B. You can see 4 groups of water bottles and each group has 2 water bottles in it. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 groups of 2 water bottles each gives 8 water bottles. Sum number C. Here we can see there are 3 groups of pencils and each group has 5 pencils in it. So we have to make repeated addition of number 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. 3 groups of 5 pencils each gives 15 pencils. Sum number D. We can see 5 groups of eraser here and each group has 2 erasers in it. That means we have to make repeated addition of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We get 10. Five groups of 2 erasers each gives 10 erasers. Sum number E. We can see 2 groups of crayons and each group has 4 crayons in it. So 4 plus 4. We get 8. 2 groups of 4 crayons each gives 8 crayons. Draw the shapes to show equal groups. Then use repeated addition to find how many in all. Sum number A. 5 groups of means there are 5 groups and 3 rectangle each. So first we have to draw 5 groups. Then we have to draw 3 rectangle in each group. So by making repeated addition of number 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we get 15. We can say that 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Sum number B. 4 groups of 2 square in each. So we have to draw 2 square in each group. At the end we get 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Number C. 3 groups of 3 rectangles each. So prepare 3 groups and draw 3 rectangles in each group. So we get our answer. Now let's write 3 plus 3 plus 3. We get 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Sum number D, two groups of 6 circles in each. So we have to prepare two groups. Afterwards, we have to draw 6 small circles in each group. Now let's make repeated addition. 6 plus 6, we get 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So now chapter checkup. Everyone write down with me sum number 1. use, the, repeated, repeated, addition, addition, to2, find, find, how, many, many, in all. Use the repeated addition to find how many in all. Now write down 4 groups of 4 bubbles each. First of all, everyone complete your writing work. Now try to draw the bubbles you have seen on the screen. In the group of 4 bubbles in each. Now write 4 groups. 4 groups. Now see how many bubbles in each group. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bubbles in each group. Total we have 16 bubbles in all. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 times repeated addition of number 4 gives us answer 16. On the other way, we can say that 4 times 4 we get 16. Total 16 bubbles in all. Sum number 2, draw. stars. TO2. SHOW, show. EQUAL, equal. GROUPS, groups. Draw stars to show equal groups. THEN, then FIND, find, OUT, out, HOW, how, MANY, many, IN, ALL, all. Draw stars to show equal groups. Then find out how many in all. Now write down 7 groups of 2 stars each. 7 groups of 2 stars each. Now prepare the groups you have seen on the screen. 7 groups. Prepare the groups. I am waiting for you. Now in each groups draw 2 stars. In first group 1 and 2. In second group 1, 2. In third group 1 and 2. In fourth group 1 and 2. In fifth group 1, 2. In sixth group 1 and 2. In seventh group draw 2 stars 1 and 2. Now everyone write with me 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We have to make 7 times repeated addition of number 2. We get the answer 14. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Number 3, match the 2 parts of the pencils. Sum number 3, MATCH, match, THE, the, TWO2, PARTS, parts, OF, off, THE, the, PENCILS, pencils. As you have seen, 2 parts of pencils. So first we will write the first column, left hand column. Write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Leave 1 line and then write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Leave 1 line and then write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now let's write the another part. First one, 6 groups of 4 each. Leave one line and then write 4 times 5. Leave one line and then write 5 groups of 6 each. I hope you all are writing with me. So let's match. First one will match with the second column 2 times 5. The last one will match with second one. 5 groups of 6 each. And the last one 6 groups of 4 each. So my dear students, chapter checkup is almost completed. I hope you all understand, and yes, you all have prepared a proper copy with me. And also I hope that your fair book is completed. If not, then try to complete it as soon as possible. And yes, of course, you all have to read and write at least one table every day, as we have completed already tables 1 to 10. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.